Hello, this is Emma here for the kitchen, and today we're going to talk about piping, everything piping, how to hold the bag, how to fill the bag, all that good stuff. So let's start with the first step, which would be filling the bag. Here we've got an average piping bag. This is actually a disposable piping bag because they're kind of a pain to clean. And we already have the tip inserted in the bottom. There are these things called couplers that you can use to kind of more firmly affix the tip to the bag, but honestly it's just as easy to poke the tip right down into the tip. I've never had any problems with that. Alright, to fill the bag, we're going to fold the top over. And this protects your hand from getting all sticky while you're filling it. Alright. And you kind of hold it like an ice cream cone, right? Make sure everything's nice and open in there. Grab yourself a nice big dollop of your whatever buttercream or meringue, marshmallow, whatever it is that you're wanting to put in there, and just kind of work it on down there. You don't need to fill it all at once. Just use, I usually only fill my piping bags about halfway full, and then use that amount and then go back and refill it. After a while things do start to get a little sticky, but you know, that's cooking. Now we have our meringue inside the piping bag. I'm just going to roll the sides back up, trying not to get too much of the stuff on the outside of the bag. Come on now. There we go. And then I'm just going to pinch it closed and kind of start pressing that meringue down toward the bottom. Okay, you kind of want to get all the air bubbles out as good as you can. We're good to start going here. And you kind of gather the top of the bag up in your hand. And this is why you don't want to fill the bag up too much, because the more you have it filled, the harder it is to control it once you're getting down with the piping business. This is about as much as I would probably want to handle. All right, now whatever it is that you're piping, whether you're going to pipe stars, we're going to go ahead and pipe a few stars here. Whether you're piping stars, or mushrooms, or letters on a cake or anything, you want to hold the piping bag pretty much perpendicular to the surface of whatever you're piping. And at least when you're doing meringue, start pretty close to the surface, fill it out, and then move up. These are looking all right. And if you mess up with this stuff with meringue, just scoop it up and put it back in the bowl, and you can do it again. Kind of the nice thing about meringue. All right, so I'm starting close to the surface, fill it out, and then move up. Close to the surface, move out, move up. And as you go, you're obviously pushing meringue out, and you just keep twisting the top, and that forces the rest of the meringue down to the bottom. You'll see between every one, I'm kind of giving it a little pinch at the top, keeping everything tight. Oh, that one got funny looking. We'll redo that one later. And there you go, that's about all there is to it. Any shape you want like this. You can do mushrooms or little dots, whatever